Hello everyone, this will be a brief video going over the ADS holster system, everything that you get with the system, unboxing it, and then how to assemble it and get it ready to carry your bear spray canister. ADS holster system, when you order it, will arrive like this. We have our sound alarm here in this box, and then the holster just attached to the front of the packaging here. I'm going to unbox all this, lay it out, and then we'll begin assembling it to get it ready to carry our bear spray. Now laid out here, we have everything included with the ADS holster, and I will be demonstrating getting it set up and ready to carry your bear spray canister. This carabiner is included. It's an extra little tool I like to use when I'm setting up a tripwire using the sound alarm here around a tent, but for now, this part is not necessary for the bear spray holster. I'm going to set that to the side. Now, most people watching this video, there is three very common canisters that most everybody will have. This is a UDAP 7.9 ounce, a Frontiersman 7.9 ounce, and a Counterassault 8.1 ounce. These are by far the most common bear spray canisters. Today I'm going to be using the UDAP canister. It's this nice orange, makes things show up a little bit better. So to start, we want to take our sound alarm. This pin up here is removable. This pin separates and activates the sound alarm. I'll demonstrate what that looks like really quickly. I'm going to put my hand over this to kind of muffle the sound so I don't deafen myself. This is universal in that it can be inserted either way. It is not like a USB pin, but that is how that activates. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our lanyard, we're going to take our thin material, and we're just going to feed it. You can go either way, but we're feeding it through there. And then we're going to take our heavier material and put it through this thinner material loop. Make sure everything feeds through, and then pull it down. And that's what we have. Take this piece and slide it all the way down here. Then we'll take our bear spray canister, and if we were going to carry this on my right side, this is how I would do this. We're going to take our heavier material and wrap it around this collar here. And then we'll take the sound alarm here, and I'm going to feed it back through that loop. Then pull all the plastic or tightener through. And just make sure it is seated nicely on the collar. This is exactly how you want this to look. And then you can kind of hold on to the pin here and grab this piece and snug it up nice and tight. But that's how that'll sit with the alarm just hanging off the front. We'll then take our holster. I like to kind of set it at an angle. It's nice and easy to get it in that way. Slide that all the way in. And this T-post here, we're going to set the T on the alarm, overlapping that. I just kind of hold that with my thumb, and then press into the clamps here. And there we have your ADS holster system set up and ready for your next adventure.